Nice one. So now what we're going to do is to do that beautiful carrot juice. All right, simple. Once you got your juicer machine, you are good to go. You can cut them up small or you can just put them in large, just like that. What I'm doing right here. Turn on the machine. That's it. That's finished. Alright. So quick, nice and simple. But the beautiful thing is let's get some lemon and lime. I'm gonna be using some lime. I'm gonna put one whole lemon, lime inside of it. And got a piece of lemon also. And I'm gonna put a piece of ginger. I'm gonna just simply blend this. So that's why I said having one of these machines at home works really well for you. You know what I mean? If you are interested in weight loss, detoxing and cleansing of the body. Alright? Look at that. That is amazing. That is fantastic. Lovely. Now let's share it up and see. Nice one. So yeah. Pretty good to go. This one now you can just sweeten with some. You can use honey, but we're not gonna put any honey. Look at that. I tell you guys, if you drink carrot juice like this for at least 5 mornings straight, you will see some result. This is very good for weight loss. Alright? Very good for weight loss. Carrot juice with ginger and lemon. You can put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in it. Why don't give it a try, guys, and try something different? So yeah, enjoy it. It's a simple recipe, good for weight loss and detoxing of the body. All right, see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Carrot juice, very easy and simple with your juice machine at home.